freezing in your workshop? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026. Powerful, efficient, and built to keep you warm all winter. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links in the description to grab your perfect heater today. At number 5 is COMPLUX Enjoy Outdoor Life Hose. Did you know that a poor quality hose can cut your heater's efficiency by almost half? That's why the COMPLUX Enjoy Outdoor Life Hose is a total game changer for anyone using propane heaters in large workshops. Built tough and flexible, it ensures a steady, secure connection between your 20 lb tank and your heater. Perfect for units like the COMPLUX 18,000 BTU featured in our top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026. No leaks, no interruptions, just smooth, consistent warmth when you need it most. I've tested this hose through long winter sessions, and it performs flawlessly every time, giving real peace of mind and reliability. While cheaper hoses may kink or fail under pressure, COMPLUX holds strong and safe, making it a smart upgrade for any serious DIYer or workshop owner. It's one of those small choices that make a big difference. At number 4 is Mr.Heater F271380. Did you know that noise is one of the biggest complaints workshop owners have about propane heaters? That's exactly where the Mr.Heater F271380 shines. It's engineered with quiet burner technology, making it up to 50% quieter than standard models. In our top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026 lineup, this one stands out for its calm yet powerful performance. The built-in thermostat and 10-feet hose give you flexible control, while the heavy-duty handle makes moving it around effortless. I've tested it in real-world workshop conditions, and it delivers steady, reliable heat without that constant roaring sound. Compared to the other, this one offers a more peaceful experience, though it's slightly bulkier. Still, if you value quiet efficiency, durability, and safety, this heater gives you that warm, satisfying sense of control and comfort that every serious craftsman deserves. And number 3 is Dyna-Glo RMC-FA150DGD. What if I told you there's a heater that can turn an icy 3,500 square feet workshop into a warm, productive space in minutes? That's the Dyna-Glo RMC-FA150DGD, a true powerhouse featured in our top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026. With an output of up to 150,000 BTUs, this beast delivers serious heat where it counts. I tested it during a midwinter project, and the difference was instant. Steady ignition, smooth airflow, and not a single delayed spark thanks to its continuous electronic ignition system. Compared to the model, this one's louder but far more aggressive in performance. The adjustable heat angle adds precision, while the overheat shutoff keeps safety first. It's rugged, reliable, and made for professionals who need results fast. If you want power without compromise, this heater earns its place. Tested, trusted, and truly worth it. At number 2 is Rinnai EX17DTP. Have you ever wished your workshop could stay perfectly warm without wasting a drop of fuel? The Rinnai EX17DTP makes that wish real. Featured in our top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026, this unit brings precision comfort to a whole new level. Its advanced modulating technology eliminates cold spots completely. No more shivering on one side and sweating on the other. What really impressed me is the smart thermostat control. It adapts to your space automatically, maintaining just the right temperature while cutting fuel costs. Compared to the others, Rinnai is quieter, smarter, and more energy efficient. Ideal for those who value clean, steady warmth over brute force. The cool-to-touch cabinet and built-in safety diagnostics add peace of mind, especially in family or shared workspaces. If you want intelligent heating that feels effortless and safe, this model truly delivers comfort with confidence. Now, moving to the last one is Mr.Heater 9000 BTU. Ever worked in your workshop and felt the chill slow you down? The Mr.Heater 9000 BTU changes that instantly. Compact, yet powerful, this model earns its place in our top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026 for one simple reason: reliable warmth wherever you need it. It emits between 4,000 and 9,000 BTU, heating up to 225 square feet with ease, perfect for smaller corners or focused work areas. I love how it's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering flexibility without safety worries, thanks to its low oxygen shutoff system and self-extinguishing materials. Compared to bulkier units, it's quieter, lighter, and easier to move around. The dual temperature settings give control, while the fuel efficiency saves time and money. If you value portability, safety, and consistent heat, this heater delivers dependable comfort every time. The winner is the Rinnai EX17DTP, a perfect blend of intelligence, safety, and efficiency. It delivers steady warmth with advanced modulating heat control, eliminating cold spots and cutting fuel waste. Unlike louder, bulkier heaters, it offers quiet comfort and smart thermostat precision. Its cool-to-touch design ensures safety and peace of mind. For anyone seeking consistent, energy-saving heat in large workshops, this heater is the smartest, most reliable choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 propane heaters for large workshops 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.